Welcome to the handwriting session. Today we're going to be discussing how to teach handwriting with the 3-line framework. Our students have the base of the English language and then have to move on to more formal work. While pre-writing skills and fine motor skills are extremely important, once they are in place, we move on to handwriting in a structured manner. Today, we will primarily be discussing the importance of the correct formation of letters. Correct formation is important for the neatness and fluency. Students who use correct formation put in less effort into writing and more focus on actual learning and writing creatively. Use of the 3-line framework to implement this, and strategies for improving the letter formation. Here we have the 3-line framework, which consists of the baseline, midline and top line. All the letters fit within these 3 lines. But how do we teach our students this concept? So we have the baseline as the grass, we describe the midline as the clouds and the top line as the sky. The area below the grass is dirt. All our letters fit into these 3. Here are our short letters which fit between the clouds and the grass, the tall letters which fit between the sky and the grass, and this group of letters start from the clouds and go into the dirt. There are certain points to remember. Handwriting should be taught with a multisensory approach. Multisensory involves the visual, auditory and kinesthetic pathways which enhance memory and the ability to learn. We start with air writing. Air writing reinforces the sound each letter makes through muscle memory. We should ask our students to extend their arm, keep their elbows and wrists straight to write letters in the air. They use the index finger and the tall man as pointers. They say the sound each letter makes as they write. When they practice the formation of the letter, they should be corrected right then if there are any errors. On the sheet, we ask them to trace the letter, then copy and then write off memory. This is the visual aspect. And the auditory aspect comes in when they describe the strokes as they're writing. To describe the formation of letter A, we will say we start at the clouds, go down to the grass, go up again to the clouds, come down to the grass, swing out. For letter B, we'll describe it as we start in the sky, go straight down to the grass, turn and go up to the clouds and swing out. For letter C, it is about saying start at the clouds, turn, go down to the grass. And for letter D, it is make a formation of C, go up to the sky, come down to the grass and swing out. In a similar manner, we describe strokes for all the letters. This is the formation which is given for all the letters. Follow the arrows for the correct formation. Please remember, all letters go from up to down and left to right. Checking their posture is extremely important. They sit with a raised level ahead of them, feet on the ground, and the back should be straight with a slight slant forward. The paper should be kept at a slant where the non-dominant hand holds the paper. Hold the pencil with the correct grip and the pencil goes over the shoulder. Focus should be on the correct formation rather than speed.
The ultimate aim is automaticity with the correct formation.
We can also use the 3-line framework to explain the formation of letters. For example, if we are explaining the letter C, we say you cover 2 clouds and then go down. Or spacing between the 2 letters, leave 2 clouds and then start the next letter. between two words, you say, leave 3 clouds and then write the next word. This is how we use these clouds to improve the handwriting. These are the formations that we follow. All letters go from up to down
and left to right. Thank you.